So the government officials are basically officers or employees of government or any government department, agency, branch, or government-held companies. Uh, they could also be political party or party official or candidate for political use, or employee of public or international organization. Could also include family members or person acting out on behalf of the above. It's important that all those who are interacting with them knows the applicable laws and regulations. They should always be transparent, accurate, and cooperative and courteous with the government officials. We must comply with the government procurement regulations, always maintain highest ethical standards and with complete integrity, and should never offer or give any company funds or property as donation. So these are some of the do's and don'ts while dealing with the government officials. So while the organization has its own consequence management and disciplinary process that the company can take under the violation of anti-bribery, anti-corruption, anti-money laundering, or gift and hospitality policy, the company will take the ownership for the individual involved. However, uh, the organization has made it clear by the implementation of the anti-bribery, anti-corruption, or anti-money laundering policies. And under that, it's important that the misconduct which is made by the individual, the onus lies on that person, because the company has very clearly explained what are these policies and how it has to be implemented. And not only the company has its own way of putting up the penalties or consequences on the violator, the government also puts up their punishments, including imprisonment, probation, monetary fines under law. So imprisonment under could be between 6 months and 5 years. A habitual offender could get an imprisonment up to 7 years. And for monetary fines, there is no upper limit. It will depend upon the case. So the potential scenarios under which corruption can occur during exchange of gift and hospitality with any third party could be business, where the business purpose is incidental to entertainment purpose. If it is given a very lavish or out of line as per the company guidelines and local customs, where spouse and children are invited, gifts are given to government servants, position is misused to provide improper business advantage, any expenses without receipts are red flags, approving of corporate card expenses without verification, and any hotel or guest house being extended to the third party without proper approval. All these are potential scenarios where exchange of gift and hospitality could be a potential case of violation. So money laundering is the process by which criminals attempt to conceal the true origin of ownership of the process of the criminal activities in order to avoid prosecution, conviction, and confiscation of the criminal funds. It starts with the collection of the dirty money, then placing it into a legitimate financial system, then by repeated transfer and depositing and withdrawal of the source of the money is the second stage. And the last stage is purchase of legitimate assets like any luxury related asset, financial, commercial, or industrial investments which are made, and it's cyclic in nature. That's why it is known as money laundering.